The way this film came together was, there really was a seed of an idea. If you give anyone the right opportunity, the right support, the right love, it's incredible what that person can achieve.
This actually story idea was Farhan's. We were sitting in office and jamming about stuff, and he was talking of a boxing film. And that's when Anjum came into the picture. We spoke to him. From there on, when it got into a screenplay version, and Farhan and Rakesh had not worked together. They had a great combination as a director and an actor. So we reached out to Rakesh.
With Farhan, I was already picking up after Bhag Milkha Bhag. So we've been in touch. We've been waiting for the moment, and Tufan presented us with that moment to come together.
It's important as a director to make a script your own, and that's what he did.
I was also understanding the nuances and the layers this film can travel to. And this is a very characters-driven film. So you have to live each character and understand their motivations.
When you're working with a director like him who's so experienced and team members that he has handpicked, there's a design in that.
Ajju or Aziz Ali, he is somebody who lives just on the basis of his strength, of his muscle. And that's his life. He doesn't think there are any other prospects. He's not an educated guy. A lot of the cues I took from the script. Vijay wrote the dialogue. I think he had a good handle on that world, on that character. Also, jamming with Hussain did help a lot, who plays Munna in the film.
ये तो मेरी दुनिया है यार. मैं तो बड़ा हुआ हूँ डोंगरी भिंडी बाजार के आसपास. तो मैंने कहा ये तो मेरी दुनिया है, तो मैं कर रहा हूँ 100%.
He also helped me tremendously with the character of Ajju in the way Ajju speaks. He knows those people inside out, and he would keep talking to me about like how people are thinking right now that we are shooting at this location. But we had a really, really fun time.
This is not a relationship of brain and bronze, it's the relationship of noise and violence, but how that violence turns into a skill set.
There's a brilliant line we are using in the trailer that life taught him to fight and love taught him what to fight for. So Mrinal is the love, and she tells him what to fight for.
He wanted a girl who's liberal, he wanted a girl who's Maharashtrian, and I don't think he was aware about the fact that I'm a Marathi girl. So it came out shocking for him.
It was very tricky, to get someone, because she truly is the catalyst in the film. So we did audition her, we did have a lot of design. Obviously a lot had to do with the casting directors, with Nandini, Karan and Rakesh. But when we saw her test, she really took on to Ananya very well. And I think Rakesh more than anybody was 100% convinced that she is my Ananya.
I saw her from day one to the last day. I only saw her growing. She completely trusted her team.
When you reach to an emotion, it's always a journey. He allowed me to live that journey. But then when it was a good shot, he would come and pat me. I would wait for that.
When I see Mrinal's work in the film, I cannot for the life of me imagine anybody else apart from Mrinal. She brings an incredible positivity to that part, a believability to that character.
It's not easy to match up with the natural talent that Farhan has. And on the other hand, to match up with Paresh Rawal. Among the most complicated characters in the film is the character of Nana Prabhu. Nana is Paresh Rawal in the film, and he is a boxing coach.
For Nana, his passion is boxing, his religion is boxing, it's full of complexes, but his core is very human.
He's such a fine dramatic actor, and we very rarely see him now doing dramatic roles. He also brings a huge amount of gravitas to every character that he plays.
मैं समझता हूँ कि स्पोर्ट का इन्वेंशन इसीलिए हुआ है कि ताकि आदमी लड़ाई ना लड़े। पूरा जो आपका एग्रेशन है, जो हार जीत का जो भी वहाँ पे बिना खून बहाए फैसला हो जाए। ये पूरा प्रॉब्लम जिस तरह इसके ज़रिए जो ट्रीट किया गया बॉक्सिंग के ज़रिए इतने वायलेंट फॉर्म के अंदर, तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी नॉवेल पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म।
Directing Paresh Rawal was like going to cinema school. Every time I said action and he performed, I was learning.
When he comes, you don't have to waste any time in trying to set him up as what kind of person he is going to be, because he comes with that package. He is phenomenal in the movie. Like I requested him when him and me spoke that please, Pareshji, please keep doing more dramatic work.
And the other character you cannot miss out on is of Mrs. D'Souza and how she adopts Ajju. And it's also a story of different faiths coming together. I must say everyone performed beautifully well, and it was very inspiring for the entire crew.
Rakesh is such an immersive director. His ability to brief them, bring them up to speed with his vision was great.
At the core, really, the film is about accepting people for who they are. You cannot club someone into any group.
Very important film for our country, for these trying times.
If you believe in yourself, you believe in what you can do, nobody should tell you otherwise.
And practice humanity. It's very important.